Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to program LiftMaster's new style wall mount. It's a model 98022. This opener does not have the cable tension monitor.
Nope.
Yeah, so with this opener, there's an extra step right in the beginning you have to do to get it in programming mode. The first step you want to do is you want to identify your door profile. Whether you have a standard lift sectional door, or you got a door that has a little high lift on it, or if you got a door that's a vertical lift, like the one I got right here. Whoa! It goes straight up. So that's the step we need to figure out right from the jump. I'm gonna assume most doors out there that got this side mount will have a standard lift. So if you look at your profile for a standard lift, it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 1 is standard to heavyweight door with a 4-inch drum. Profile number 2 is a lightweight door with a 4-inch drum. Number 3 is a heavyweight door with a 6-inch drum. And then profile number 4 is a lightweight door with a 6-inch drum. Now if you have a garage door that has high lift, which means the door goes up a little ways and then curves back, your door profile is number 5. And if you got a vertical lift door, which it goes straight up, just like the door I got here, you're gonna want door profile number 5 as well. Once you got your machine open, you'll be able to see the arrows and the black button. Once you identify your door profile, then you're gonna set that door profile. So my door profile on the door I have is number 5. So if I come over here to this guide, I'm going to look, there's number 5. So here's how you get it into that mode. Once you got your lid raised open, you're gonna press and hold that black button and let go. You're gonna see that LED blinking. When it stops blinking, go ahead and press that up arrow 1 time. That LED is gonna blink 1 time. Press it again. See, it blinks 2 times. Again, 3 times. We're looking for number 5. 4. There's 4 blinks. This should be us. 5 blinks. Now that's us. Let's go ahead and lock that in by pressing the black button. Okay, once we got that black button pressed, that up arrow is going to start flashing. What we're going to do is we're going to program the open limit by holding this in. As we're holding it in, the door is starting to raise. Continue to hold that button until you get to your desired height. And that's about where I want to be. Once you're at your desired height, go ahead and press that black button. It's going to beep. Now that down arrow is blinking. Let's go ahead and press it and hold it. As we're holding it, the door is going down.
Ooh, mommy.
Continuing to hold it. It's almost to the floor. Once it got about a couple inches from the floor, I just let go of that button. It's still blinking, so we'll fine tune it to the floor by just bumping it in and letting it go.
Do it!
Bump it in.
Just do it!
Bump it in. And you can watch the floor to see if you got a nice seal, which my door's got a nice seal right there. Once you have it in the down position to where you want it, press that black button again. Now that up arrow is blinking and we're getting that caution beep.
Oh, yeah.
It's going up by itself. Basically, it's learning how much force is needed to pull this door open. Now it's blinking again, downward. All right, it's running all the way down. Bingo, it's all the way to the floor. You're gonna hear those couple beeps, and that is it. Super easy programming. There's that one little step that you have to identify your door profile, but that's no problem. If you got any questions, please comment. Hit that like button if this helped out, and most of all, please subscribe. Peace out.